Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with time-based data in Power BI and wanted to visualize or group your records by 5-minute intervals, for example, rounding each timestamp down to the nearest 5 minutes, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to create a new column in Power BI that automatically sorts your date and time values into neat, easy-to-read 5-minute buckets. This is a super handy trick for anyone dealing with logs or transactional data that comes in at irregular times. Alright, let's jump right in. We'll be working inside Power Query, which is where you go when you want to shape or transform your data before building your Power BI report. So first things first, in your Power BI project, go up to the ribbon and click on Transform Data. This will open up Power Query Editor. Think of Power Query as your backstage workroom. This is where you get everything clean, structured, and ready for the spotlight in your actual report. Once you're inside Power Query, look at the top menu and find Add Column. Click on that and then select Custom Column. What we're about to do here is add a brand new column to your dataset, one that will show the original time but rounded down into neat 5-minute intervals. Now this next part is the magic moment. In the dialog box that pops up, you'll see a space to add your custom formula. Don't worry if formulas make you a little nervous. I've got you covered. I've written out the exact formula you need down in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste it. What this formula does, step by step, is take every single time in your column and round it down to the closest previous 5-minute mark. For instance, if you have a time like 0901 or 0903, the formula will round it down to 0900. If the time is 0906, it goes down to 0905, and if you hit 0912, it'll neatly land on 0910. This technique is especially useful if you're analyzing customer activity, monitoring server events, or any scenario where you want to see trends in bite-sized 5-minute chunks rather than looking at every individual timestamp. Take your time with this step. If your dataset has a lot of rows, Power Query might take a moment to crunch the numbers and fill in your new column. It's totally normal, just give it a few seconds. And if the result looks a little weird at first, double-check that you've pasted the formula correctly and that your time column is in the right data format, like date time. Once your new column is generated and you can see those 5-minute intervals lining up with your original data, you're almost done. All that's left is to close and apply your changes. Head up to the top left corner of Power Query and click Close and Apply. This will save your work and bring you back to the main Power BI interface with your new 5-minute interval column ready to use in charts, slicers, or any kind of time-based visualization. And that's it, just a few clicks, one formula, and now you've unlocked a whole new way to look at your time data in Power BI. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into a hiccup, just leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical Power BI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.